and it's the anti-aging formula. And I'm going to use that all over my lid and upper eye area. And I use whatever is left on my lower lash line. I'm going to be using this Profusion palette in the Sultry formula, and I'm going to be using 2 colors to start off with. The first 2 colors that I'm going to be using is Ecstatic and Wonder. So this beautiful bright orange color is Ecstatic, and this deep spicy orange is Wonder. I'm going to blend those 2 together, and that's going all over my upper eye area. I'm just going to blend that out, just getting the crease all up on top of the upper eye, and just blending that out. Now, what I want to do is just use Ecstatic. Once again, that nice, beautiful, bright orange, and that's going all over my lid. This is super easy, and I think this look is perfect for the workplace. You can use as much or as little of each color that you like. And even if you don't have this palette, there are several palettes with these colors. You just use a deep brownish orange color as well as a bright orange color. But for the workplace, you can do whatever is appropriate for your job. I think this is a fun look to create for St. Patrick's Day. Just think about it. A lot of us don't have green in our wardrobe. And you know, if you're working on the day of St. Patrick's Day, you don't want to get pinched. People love to pinch you if they don't think that you're wearing green. And so a little subtle hint of green that's work appropriate, that's not over the top, it's not in your face, I think would be a fun way to not get pinched. This is the reason why I created this Don't Pinch Me St. Patrick's Day look. Because who wants to get pinched? No fun at all. So we've added this bright orange, and so now what we're going to do next, I have this Wet n Wild eyeshadow pencil, and I'm just going to create a little wing with this pencil to add our green look. And so I don't know what color it is, but this is so pretty. And it's a nice soft green, but it goes so beautifully with this look. So I'm just going to take this on the outer part of my eye and create just a little wing. But you want the green to be visible with your eyes open or closed. Also, I want to let you know that the lashes that I have on today are from Sean's Beauty, and this is in the style Shawnette. So I really, really love these lashes. And the fact that I'm doing better and better about applying them, I'm so happy. So when I know how to do something, it just kind of makes me want to do it more. but I'm taking the line all the way into the inner portion of my lid, towards the inner corner. But look at that, isn't that pretty? So it just shows that you don't have to have green in your wardrobe. To be able to celebrate and have fun and have green on St. Patrick's Day. You can get creative with your makeup and include green in your makeup. So I think that works. Okay, so I'm loving that. Also, I'm going to go ahead on my lower lash line and I'm going to add, all right, so I'm going back into this Profusion palette and I'm going to use, once again, Ecstatic and Wonder. I'm going to combine those two colors for the lower lash line, and I'm using this e.l.f. smudging brush. At least that's what I think it is, but it has a nice bushy end to it, and I think it works really well for applying eyeshadow to the lower lash line. And I'm just going from close to the inner corner all the way to where it meets the orange at the top. And I want to bring it low, not just at the lash line, but a little ways underneath it. And I'm just going to keep adding it until I get the look that I want. So I don't know if anyone has used Don't Pinch Me in their makeup title, but I wanted to try to create something different. What I'm going to do now is add more of this green, but in my waterline. Okay, well, I think that's enough. And I'm prepared for my eyes to water again, because that's what happened the first time, but I'm continuing on with this look. Okay, now I'm going to use this Almay mascara in black just on my lower lash lines. I'm not adding it to my upper lashes because I'm wearing these beautiful false lashes, and I think that they're enough. I don't think I need to add any mascara to them. Okay, so I think that's enough mascara for that eye. I don't know, I might need to add a little more to this one. Alright, I think that works. What do y'all think? And now I'm going to finish my face. So I want to tell you that I've used the Kat Von D foundation for this, the True Portrait, I believe it's called, and I'll have to tell you what shade I'm in, but that's what I'm using for this look, the Kat Von D True Portrait foundation. And I'm going to, for a bronzer slash blush. I cannot talk tonight. Okay, let's try this again. For my bronzer slash blush, I'm going to be using this Almay blush. What is it called? Healthy Hue blush. So it just looks like you got a little kiss of sun in the form of a blush. So it is dual for me. I use it to bronze. Let's see if I stay open. It has a magnet to close it. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, my eyes are watering. And for that Wet n Wild eyeshadow pencil, I don't know if they still carry that. I went ahead and shopped my makeup stash, and I tell you what, I was so excited about the things that I had found and never used. So if you are a collector of makeup, this is sad, but apparently I collect makeup and have bought things with plans. Okay, so apparently I'm a collector of makeup, and I have bought things with the plans of using them for certain looks, and it just didn't happen. With interruptions in my life or whatever, those plans were forgotten. So because of that, I was able to do some organizing and getting rid of certain things that either I had used that were no more good, that included nail polishes and things like that. I was able to go through and find things that I hadn't touched at all. So I was so excited because it was like going to the store and getting stuff for free, which never happens. But anyway, that's what happened, and so that was one of the things that I found, that little green eyeshadow pencil. So like I said, I don't know if they still have it, but even if they don't, finding a eyeliner that color is super easy. You can find a light green eyeliner and then use that in its place and still create a similar look. So one thing that I did forget to do is add the highlight in my inner corner, and so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And that's coming from the Tati palette, and I'm gonna, because I feel like every St. Patrick's Day look needs some gold, and so I'm going into this bit of sparkle right here, the glitter portion of the Ritual area, and I'm just gonna add that right into my inner corner, a little bit on my upper lid, and then going down to the lower lash line. And this gold color also has little hints of pink and other iridescent colors in it as well. But just wanted to do this. It also, I think, has little bits of green in it too. So green, gold, I think I see some pink and, you know, other little colors. But I think it works for this look. So just a little more kind of cascading up into the upper lid, and that's it for that. Now I'm going to continue with this bronzer. I think that's enough. A little more on that side. Hopefully y'all can see this on camera. I'm going to take this and put some on my forehead just to bronze that up a little bit, add a little color. And then I'm going to add some on my nose just to kind of contour. A little color. This isn't the typical brush that I would use for that, but it's working. Because I didn't bring another brush for this. Okay. I might just bring a little bit down here. All right, I think that works. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is my highlighter. And this is my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the color Golden Flower Crown. And I'm gonna go in on my cheekbones. Sorry if I've been blocking y'all with this palette. I'm not trying to, but I also need to see what I'm doing. Just a little glow because I'm trying my best to keep this work appropriate. Whoever came up with highlighter first, thank you. Who was it? Was it Becca? Who was the first one, first makeup company, the first brand to come up with highlighter? Let me know if you know. I've forgotten what day St. Patty's Day is, but I think it's during the week. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for the lips, I'm gonna try to keep that low key as well, but I can't promise anything. I haven't used that lip gloss in a while. I'm gonna line my lips with, who is this? Revlon ColorStay lip liner in the color Raisin. To me, Raisin looks more brown than, I guess Raisin, nope, never mind. This may or may not work. I looked at the top of this and it looks brown. So let's hope that it works with this liner. I mean this lip gloss. Kind of almost works by itself, but I'm going for this lip gloss. I'm going to try to keep it light. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for the past couple of looks, I think, I have used Milani. Now this is a Milani lip gloss in the color Sardinia, I think it is. Their lip products smell so good. They smell delicious, and I think it's a vanilla scent. I'm not quite sure. Okay. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. So this, I believe, if I haven't left anything out, this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed this don't pinch me St. Patrick's Day look. So if you did, give this video a thumbs up, please, and thank you. I need more thumbs up, y'all, and I need more subscribers. I would love to have you all join the Glamour Guru family. I will continue to do videos like this. This channel is very impromptu, spontaneous. I have a variety of things that I want to show you. If you like variety, it will always be beauty, skincare, plus other things. I would love to show y'all what I do around my house. I'm about to paint my family room, and it's going to be something that's bold that will kind of work with this area too, but I'm kind of trying to figure out a way to you know, kind of make the house look more uniform. So if you like to see videos like that, along with the majority of it being beauty and skincare related and fashion, of course, then let me know in the comments below. I would love to have you be a part of this family. So thank you so much again for watching and taking the time out to meet with me here. Take care, have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video, God willing. Take care. Bye-bye.